Hello, Namaste to all. I Sangeeta welcome you all to Om Divine Healing Channel. And today I'm going to do a carding for this horror, which is from Monday till Sunday. And the two card decks which I'm going to use is first card deck is the Universal Love card deck, and the second one is Everyday Peace card. So I will start reading cards from the first deck, and the first card is Spiritual Growth. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is.
This is a very special time of deep spiritual awareness and growth. Powerful changes are taking place deep within you, and it is important to nurture yourself as this occurs. Take time out to appreciate the beauty and healing energy of nature. Wonder at the trees, delight in the flowers, feel the earth beneath your feet. Hear the scar heart of Gaia and rejoice in the essence of her nurturing spirit. Walk along the beach, steps into the waves, feel the ebb and flow of the water and ebb and flow of your own divinity. You will emerge from this period with a renewed sense of purpose and heightened ability to tap into the vast pools of knowledge, inspirations, and creativity that dwell within you.
Another card. Soulmate. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is.
Love is the divine and universal energy of life. It is alive, intelligent, and in constant communion with all creation. When love calls you, go to her. Search for love, no matter where the journey takes you. Remember, somewhere another soul is in search for you. Somewhere a heart longs for your companionship. Honor your soulmate by continuing your quest for great love until today's longing becomes tomorrow's joy. Until then, prepare by respecting and caring for yourself. Gather riches of kindness, knowledge, compassion, strength, and vulnerability. The quester's dream is deep and rejuvenating, and it is here you will meet until you find each other. If you are already with your soulmate, this is a reminder to treasure and be grateful for the love you share.
Another card. Golden Path. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is.
Continue your current course of action, even if you are experiencing unforeseen difficulties and obstacles. Every journey has its trial, every learning, its skill, and all progress is accomplished through challenge. You move because you have pushed your body, you know because you have exercised your mind, and you know yourself by questioning your identity. This card has shown up in your reading today and encourage you to keep going. Bring the challenges close, tackle them head on, as they are not obstacles blocking the way, but an instinct part of the journey. Acceptance, perseverance, and conviction will lead you on. This is your golden path. Now is not the time to give up. A bright future is in the making, even though you cannot currently see it.
Another card. Embrace. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is.
A new opportunity is coming your way. To grasp it, you must love, accept, and embrace the many aspects of your personality. You can do this by listening all the things you like and don't like about yourself. Include the qualities you are proud of and those you try to hide, feel uncomfortable about, or are ashamed of. List everything, good or bad, that you think describes you. Look carefully at the list of things you don't like and identify the positiveness in every negative. Then go through the positive qualities and explore the limitations or negative components. With practice, you will come to realize there are no positives or negatives, as every quality you possess serves a valuable purpose. Accepting and loving all facets of you equally brings wholeness and balance. Through this, you are better able to see and grasp the opportunity of life constantly present.
Another card. Dreams. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is.
Waves of healing energy flow through you as you sleep, subconsciously restoring balance and healing unresolved emotional issues. And issues which most probably stems from a past life is now being processed and held in your dream state. You may not be aware of how this issue has negatively impacted your perceptive, energy levels, or decision making. Unseen limitations can manifest through unexplained negative feelings, self-doubt, or irritational fear. The good news is you are already being aligned with positivity. There is nothing you need to do. Be patient and allow the process to unfold without trying to make sense of it. Trust in and embrace the possibilities of happiness, meaning, and fulfillment. You will soon be free of the negativity that has too often sabotage your progress. A brighter, more confident you is surfacing from your dreams and stepping into reality.
Last but not the least, expectancy. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is
Something you have been hoping for may not come about in the way you expected. Observe the image on this card without trying to understand it. Simply allow its energy, color, and vibration to flow through you. Know you are being filled with the infinite power of love. Fixed expectations may be blocking you and delaying the arrival of something far more beautiful. Surrender and trust are required. Expectations come with limitations. There is beauty, opportunity, and glory beyond your imaginings. Being certain of how things should be can get in the way of seeing things as they are. Opportunity can come in many cases, so let go of the detail and be open to the joy that may happen your way.
Now I will start reading cards from the Nana deck, and the first card is nothing to win or lose. It means breathing in, I know that I am breathing in. You are free of any intentions to judge, find fault, reject, or cling, and you maintain that freedom in relation to whatever is happening. When you get angry or depressed, it is the same. You simply recognize what is that, anger, depression, and so forth, without any sense of disapproval or rejection. If you recognize emotions as exciting in the moment, you will not feel upset. There is no battle to win or lose. Another card. Rest on your cushion. It means when I sit on my meditation cushion, I consider it to be something very pleasant. I don't struggle at all on my cushion. I allow myself to rest. I don't make any effort, and that is why I do not have any trouble while sitting. While sitting, I do not struggle, and that is why all my muscles are relaxed. If you struggle during your sitting meditation, you will very soon have pain in your shoulders and back and things like that. But if you allow yourself to be rested on your cushion, you can sit for a very long time, and each minute is light, refreshing, nourishing, and healing. Another card, walking meditation. It means we have to awaken ourselves to the truth that we are here alive. We are here making steps on the beautiful planet. This is already performing a miracle. But we have to be here in order for the miracle to be possible. We have to bring ourselves back to the here and the now. Therefore, each step we take becomes a miracle. If you are able to walk like that, each step will be very nourishing and healing. You walk as if you kiss the earth with your feet, as if you massage the earth with your feet. There is a lot of love in that practice of walking meditation. Another card. A game of hide and seek. It means, have you ever played with a kaleidoscope? Just a small movement is enough to make something miracles appear. A table of colors and forms is presented to you, a manifestation. You keep this view for a few seconds, then you turn a kaleidoscope and another manifestation appears. Should we cry every time one of these manifestations comes to an end? A flower manifests, then disappears, then manifests, then disappear, thousands upon thousands of times. If you look deeply at things, you will see this reality. We manifest, then disappear. It is a game of hide and seek. Another card. Are you sure? It means all of us are only human and we have wrong perception every day. Our spouse or partner is also subject to wrong perception, so we must help each other to see more clearly and more deeply. We should not trust our perception too much. That is something the Buddha taught. Are you sure of your perception? He asked. I urge you to write this phrase down on a card and put it up on the wall of your room. Are you sure of your perceptions? There is a river of perception in you. You should sit down on the bank of this river and contemplate your perception. Most of our perceptions, the Buddha said, are false. Are you sure of your perception? This question is addressed to you. It is a veil of mindfulness. Last but not the least, beginning the day. It means every 24 hours, day is tremendous gift to us. So we all should learn to live in a way that makes joy and happiness possible. We can do this. I begin my day by making an offering and incense while following my breath. I think of myself that this day is day to live fully, and I make the vow to live each moment of it in a way that is beautiful, sovereign, and free. This only takes me 3 or 4 minutes, but it gives me a great deal of pleasure. You can do the same thing when you wake up. Breathe in and tell yourself that a new day has been offered to you and you have to be here to live it. So this was the card reading for this whole week. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for coming and watching this video. To all my subscribers, people who are helping me to make this video and people who are inspiring to make this video, thank you all of you. So till I see you next time, I Sangeeta Patel. Take care, live with lots of love, light and nature blessings. Namaste.